welcome back to my channel. I'm so hyped today. If you're new, my name is Ree. Hi, nice to meet you. Welcome to the good side, welcome. Consider, ponder, why not just do? Click the red button, subscribe. You're on a glorious road to 1K, so every subscriber counts over here, so definitely click down below and join the family. I appreciate you because I know you clicked that button. Anyway, today I have a super fun video. Super excited to film this video because I know that this problem exists. I am very susceptible to this problem. I am very well known to this problem, and I wanted to share it with you guys today because I know I'm not the only one. I know there are other people out there who are troubled by this problem like me. So today I wanted to share the one product that I use to lighten my underarms. Press pause because I know what you're thinking. Girl, these people be putting all kind of baking soda and lemon and turmeric under their arms to try lighten it, and it's a whole mixture and stuff like that. I did all that and it didn't work for me. I don't know if I did something wrong, but the natural way just wasn't kicking it. I have severe burns under my arm from like misusing Nair and the Veet and stuff back in the day, like when I was in high school and I didn't know and there was no YouTube. I kind of burned my arms, so I left it there for too long, so I had like really dark underarm marks. That was just like problematic, and I just gave up on them. And then my esthetician, she was like, hey, I have a product for that, and it actually works to lighten arms. It's like a chemical product. So I was like, look, miss, I've tried it all. If you think this product is gonna work, why not? So tried it, loved it. I will show you guys before and after pictures of my arms so you know that it's real. This is a real person trying a real thing, sharing it with you. Real results that actually work for me. Well, I'm so excited because my underarms are actually lighter, just in time for summer, just in time for the beach, It's exciting stuff. So I'm gonna be flinging my arms. I'm gonna be flinging my arms everywhere you're going to see these pits because I've worked hard for it. Anyway, y'all, I just want to share this one product, and that is the drum roll, whatever. That is this one right here. So this is the one product that I've used to revamp my skin. So this is the Vanish PHB Ultra Triple Action Skin Lightening and Post Hair Removal Serum. Corrects, heals, and brightens skin. So this thing is amazing. I don't even know what's in it that makes it so good. I know it has acids and like different things in it. Like it has salicylic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid. It's basically a lightening serum for huge dark marks. And the directions actually say it's good for your face, your neck, your underarm, legs, and bikini areas. I have tried this on my bikini area and it worked amazing as well. But for my underarms, it was like the only thing that would work. So if you are troubled by the darkness in the darkest areas, hello somebody, get this. I promise you, you will not fail. You just need to use it every single day. Like you just need to be consistent with it. There's a visible difference when I'm consistent versus when I'm just like kiki kaka, not using it properly. So this is a product that you just have to like use every day and you will definitely see results. I have tried everything. Let's clear that up. I've tried baking soda, I've tried kojic acid, I've tried like, I don't even know, it's like an orange soap that you use to lighten certain areas. I don't know, maybe that's like a bleacher. I've tried that too. This is the only thing that works, and it works in the best way. So get your hands on this, and that is the whole video. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you use anything else to darken your underarms, let a girl know below. I'm always looking for like, new tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.